You know, you can hear the crickets, you can see the butterflies. You know, we're hearing katydids in the trees. Yeah, it's great. So we're on the campus of Wright State University, and we are on a power line right-of-way that's adjacent to the Nutter Center and mini university on campus, which was formerly a mowed grass lawn. It looks nice, but it doesn't provide the kinds of ecosystem services and habitats that might have been reflected in this area in the past. Starting about 3 years ago, we worked to alter that practice and restore what might have been here a couple hundred years ago, Prairie.
That one's a red admiral.
And bring back the habitat that it represents and the ecosystem services that it helped provide.
I often, on my way in or on my way home, I stop by the prairie to see if I find any new insects that I haven't seen out here before. These are dogbane leaf beetles. They feed on dogbane, which is, I think, in the same family as the milkweeds.
This is a new resource for campus. It provides new opportunities for laboratories.
Here we have a milkweed longhorn beetle.
It also simply provides aesthetic value. You know, this is just much nicer to me to look at than the mowed grass lawn.
We're gonna go this way. We're gonna go to the prairie.
We're adjacent to Mini University over here as well.
The giant dragonfly.
They can bring kids on walks and tours through here.
See all these thorns? I prepared them. I said, you're gonna see a lot of flowers, but you need to come around the corner and to see this. It's just the squeals of delight. It was beautiful.
If you look around our campus, there are a lot of other just simply mowed lawn areas that I'd like to convert to this kind of habitat. So this is just a start. It's almost like a demonstration, and I hope that we can do more of this.